More than 3 years after Hurricane Ian, work is still being done along the Gulf Coast every day to bounce back from that devastating storm. One of the places hardest hit was Sanibel Island, where there's a unique partnership between the Sanibel Captiva Conservation Foundation and FGCU. They're putting some of Sanibel's hiking trails back on the map, literally.
New at 7, Gulf Coast News reporter Alex Hallard tagged along with that team of students working to remap trails destroyed by Hurricane Ian.
See, as you see, we're going down, we're seeing sea grapes, we're seeing cabbage palms, we're seeing strangler figs. So now we're lower again. So during the rainy season, this might have water going across it.
SCCF's Director of Wildlife Habitat Management, Chris Lekowitz, knows the nooks and crannies of Sanibel Island. Some of it has been untouched for years.
This is the Sable Palm Trail. We're going to be opening that soon after we get some signage. And
as the island's rebuilt, buildings, facilities, roads, and cleared debris were the priority. Now that those things have been taken care of, SCCF finally has been able to turn their attention to hiking trails.
Well, right now there's only about just under a mile, but after we are done, there's going to be about 3 to 4 miles of trails.
Despite their best efforts, these trails likely will never look the same. That's why Chris asked FGCU for help.
Which do you think that we should map first?
It's their task to remap all these because these trails were here before Hurricane Ian, but Hurricane Ian knocked down a lot of trees, and some of these areas haven't been looked at in a couple years. So we finally had contractors go out and clear them out, and we had to alter some of the pathways of the trail.
And a lot of these trails haven't seen a whole lot of use since Hurricane Ian. And that's why these students are so important, as they give the public an opportunity to know where these trails go and what to expect on them.
This is red, this is the yellow.
Let's do red first.
Okay.
So I'll put this as
right here.
intersection.
Rachel, Emma, and Layla are partnered up. It's their job to make sure that when you visit Sanibel's trails, you know what you're getting yourself into.
Basically, it's just our service learning component of the class where we're mapping out the trails for the public. So it's easier for the public to walk around without hazards, to navigate the trails, to notice what vegetation is different. It's mostly just to help out SCCF, and we get a little bit of experience out of it too.
The data gathered here, elevation, mapping, plants, eventually it'll be published online and updated as more trails are rebuilt and reopened.
We have all kinds of new signage that's going to be out here to explain exactly what you're looking at and to point out certain things.
Bringing the island back step by step. Reporting on Sanibel, Alex Howard, Gulf Coast News.